Alright guys, how's it going? We've got another MIGURON knife here, and there's the numbers on this one, and this one is the MOYARL. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Anyway, here's the knife. It's a beautiful little knife. A lot of you collectors out there, or EDC carriers, I'm pretty sure are going to like this one. So this is from m.miguron knives, and this is the MOYARL, M-O-Y-A-R-L, and it's got a 3.5-inch satin blade, and it's got this big hole here which makes it ideal for walking it out like that, or flip it out with your thumb, spider flick it, and I think it'll even come out like that. Yeah. So many ways to have fun deploying this knife. And I've got to say, since I got it, it's been in my pocket the whole time. It's running smooth as silk on bearings. I believe ceramic bearings. It feels super smooth. Blade centering 100%. It's left or right pocket clip, and the pocket clip is, I've got dirt on it there because I've been carrying it, but it is titanium milled. Slides on the pocket really nicely. I think all the screws here are T8s, pivot, all of them. My other knife from MIGURON is all T8s too, so I love that. And this is the tan G10, tan colour, and it's got a 3.5-inch. Alright, they say 3.5-inch, I say 3.25. 3.25 inch with just under 3-inch cutting edge on the blade, and it's a 14C28N, which is marked up there. I don't know if you can see it, but it is the only markings on the blade, which I like too. So it's a clean slab of satin 14C28N stainless steel. And let's take a measurement of how thick the blade stock is. Alright, blade stock is 3mm. 3mm blade stock, but that's a beautiful flat grind, like all the way from the top here, and it's very thin on the edge. Makes this knife really super slicey, and it is really pretty pokey too. It'll make an ideal EDC. I love carrying it. It's got some pretty awesome lightning holes in here, if you can see them. You probably can't see them, but it's got some nice lightning holes milled into the stainless steel liners there, and there's plenty of room to get this liner lock across, to get my fat thumb in there and drop it shut. This thing is so smooth, it's a pleasure to carry. Anyway, I want to give a shout out to a guy who has a channel. There's a folder in my pocket. He has a pretty cool channel. He deals in, or he seems to. I've been following him for a few weeks now. He doesn't know me from Adam. He doesn't know I've got a channel or anything. But I've been following him, and he led me to MIGURON, and he raved about this knife so much that I had to get one. This was my first MIGURON, and I mean, this is just a tool. It's a beast. 4-inch blade on this one. Really made very well. But this is such a pleasure to carry. If you guys haven't tried MIGURON, I would definitely give this one a go. The MOYARL. Anyway, it's 50 bucks on Amazon. There will be a link down below, and they do titanium versions with better steel. 14C28N is a great budget steel. I love it. And but they have higher steels and their titanium models, but also they have higher prices. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you later.